What is area? Area is the amount of space inside a shape or surface. Area. Example, imagine you are painting a wall. The area tells you how much space you need to paint. How to find the area? Count the square units. To find the area, you count how many squares can fit inside a shape. Example, if you have a rectangle and you put small squares inside it, the number of squares tells you the area. Formula for common shapes. Rectangle. The area of a rectangle is found by multiplying the length by the width. Formula. Area equals length times width. Example, if a rectangle is 5 meters long and 3 meters wide, the area is 5 times 3 equals 15 square meters. Area. Square. The area of a square is found by multiplying one side by itself, since all sides of a square are equal. Formula for common shapes. Formula. Area equals side times side. Example, if a square has sides of 4 centimeters, the area is 4 times 4 equals 16 square cm. Real-life examples of area. Example 1. Finding the area of a room. If you have a room that is shaped like a rectangle, you can measure the length and the width to find the area. If the length is 6 meters and the width is 4 meters, the area of the garden is 6 times 4 equals 24 square meters. Example 2. Area of a room. If you want to put a carpet in your bedroom, you need to know the area of the floor. If the room is a square with sides of 5 meters, the area of the floor is 5 times 5 equals 25 square meters. Example 3. Area of a book cover. If a book cover is 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide, the area of the cover is 8 times 5 equals 40 square cm. Key points to explain area. Unit of measurement. The area is always measured in square units. This means we count how many squares of a certain size fit inside a shape. Unit of measurement. Example, if you measure area in meters, you say square meters. If you measure area in centimeters, you say square centimeters. Different shapes have different formulas. Rectangle, area equals length times width. Square, area equals side times side. Triangle, area equals 1/2 times base times height. For older students. Circle, area equals pi times radius squared, also for older students. Real-life objects with area. Example 1. A playground surface. If you want to lay down new flooring, you measure the area to know how much material to buy. Real-life objects with area. Example 2. A blackboard in the classroom. You can measure the area of the blackboard to know how much space is available for writing.